Dear friends, in today's class, let us study about the meaning of curriculum and types of curriculum. Okay, before going to know about the meaning of curriculum, let us discuss about the meaning of education. Here, what do you mean by education? Education may be defined by different people in different ways. Some says that education means it is a formal schooling. Some says that it is a lifelong education. And some other also defining education is acquisition of knowledge, skills and attitudes. It is also we can define education is nothing but training of people mind in particular direction to bring about desired changes in an individual. When we look into the etymological meaning of education, the word education is derived from Latin word educare, which means to rise and to bring up, and educare, which means to bring forth or lead forth or to come out. So another Latin term education, which means train the students or act of teaching. These root words leads to believe that education aims to provide a nourishing environment that would facilitate or bring out and develop the potentialities in an individual. That's what the meaning of education and the root word or etymological meaning of education. Now let us identify and know about the difference between the belief and the truth. So here belief is an assumed truth, whereas the truth is verified fact or honest or faith. So belief it is behind verification or could be verified, whereas truth it is verifiable. It is personal and primarily subjective feeling and expectations through shared by others, whereas it is objective as well as subjective. Belief is changing from person to person, but truth is universal and it is same for everyone. Belief is based on the conditions of an individual or a person. True is reality based. Belief is not depend on evidence, but truth is required evidences. Belief is emotional, truth is unchanged. Belief is depending upon value based theory, the truth is based on the theory of reality. Thank you so much, friends.